So this is a quick demo of how to use our restore content feature. So in case you switch to a different template, previously you lose all your content, but now this won't be a problem anymore. So now if you switch to a different template, it will keep your content as it is. So let's say I have made this carousel 3 ways to make better videos. So we recommend like having a placeholder property on the main content of each slide, which is I have done already. And we added a new text box here, so make sure it have a property of my text. So by default we will every text box will be having this property. So let's say I have this one, this is most useful step. So now in case if I want to switch to a different template, I will go on templates tab and let's pick this one. So once it loads, it asks, do you want to restore your previous content? If I say yes, it will restore my content. So again, my step 1, step 2, step 3 are back, and it's good to go. So this is it, and if you got any feedback, do let us know, and I will see you next time.